The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2024 Subaru Ascent with the factory raised side rails. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar TimberLine base rack system. Now this is utilizing the Yakima CoreBar, 60 inches in length, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Locks are available as an additional accessory. It's strictly security, so it's optional. It can be added at the time of purchase or down the road. Overall, you have a crossbar spacing maximum of 46 inches center to center and an overall carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. Well, that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.